yeah, chief. I love my black. I love my black. Guess who black? Guess who black? Black. Guess who black?
What's going on? It's that time of the year again. Folks leaving for the holidays, client needing last minute repairs and whatnot. Mr. Biden, how's it going? This is nice too. So this is pretty nice.
What's that?
This car.
Oh, before the bag. This the thing I got here.
Direct import. That's from O'Reilly's. Yep. You remember what cylinder it said?
I think it was.
This is an ignition coil. It goes on top of the spark plug. All right, brakes are good. Okay. That's a good doggo. Just like that, we are good to go. Good to go. On to the next repair. Later, dude. First repair we got done, we out here in about Lovefield, Dallas, and it was just a client with a Volvo. He needed one ignition coil installed. He was supposed to get it done a couple weeks ago, but he hasn't been driving the car. So I got that done right before he had to leave town. Now we are heading to Haltom City to work on a car. Next car we servicing was actually pretty easy. It was just an ignition coil, misfire in cylinder one, and they pretty much just clip on out. Pretty simple procedure. I'll show you how to replace it when I go get one. It's got a Duralast ignition coil, part number C1638. Pretty much it just plugs in like so. And that goes like that, and boom. That on to the next client. On to the next one.